Are you ready to get inspired? Welcome to Morgan Properties, a company built on the promise that family comes first. At Morgan, it's more than just a career. It's an opportunity to soar. Let us tell you why Morgan is the place you want to call your next work home. We offer apartments and townhome communities. Whether you just relocated to the area or you're looking for a new career opportunity, perhaps recently married or growing your family. What is most important to us is you. Morgan Properties is more than just a place to live and work. It's a unique space where you can be you. We consider it an honor and privilege to say, welcome aboard. We continue to grow our uniquely inspiring communities to meet our residents' life and styles. We have thousands of employees, and we're still growing, with opportunities in several key departments, including leasing, maintenance, administrative, and corporate, where our goal is to provide peace of mind with competitive and comprehensive employee benefits.
Morgan Properties offers a fast-paced, fun work environment where you're going to like your coworkers. You're constantly going to be learning new things both about your job and the industry. And because Morgan is growing so rapidly, there are constant opportunities for advancement.
At Morgan Properties, my input is valued, and I think that's an amazing benefit. Morgan is a good company to work for. It's a solid company, great career opportunities, and all of this happens in an atmosphere that's diverse and fun.
Morgan Properties is an equal opportunity employer that promotes diversity and individual growth. We provide many different training and educational development programs to ensure the continued success of each one of our employees. Morgan's community commitment to caring, sharing, and giving remains our focus by embracing ongoing opportunities that make a difference. Morgan Properties is continually voted by our current employees as one of the top places to work year after year. Family first, great communities, valued employees. Move into your future with us, where you will experience more. Welcome to Morgan Properties. Experience more with Morgan.